Today I have two new toys to show you guys. This one is the most anticipated one because people now they have the hand on, almost everybody except me, so it's time for me to have it too. And it's so hard to unbox. I don't have any knife with me, so just everything I wrap up. So this is it, guys. This is what I have been waiting for. This is Galaxy Z Flip 7. Z Fold, sorry. Z Fold 7. And it's a dummy unit. Just like these. Other 2 or 3 of them. Samsung. See that? You guys see that? Beautiful. It's very thin. I hands-on at the phone shop. Cannot compare with this. This, the same weight, the same height, the same everything. It's just a dummy unit. It doesn't work. It just show you all the button, all the crazy stuff here. These two, also a dummy unit. These two, also a dummy unit. And well, another one. Wait, these two, also a dummy unit. All 4 of them. So this is just like Galaxy Z Fold 7 versus S25 Edge. See how thin it is? So thin. The camera bar is so big. Like this. Show you guys like this. Wow. This is crazy. Crazy thin. When you open it up, it's way thinner than the Galaxy Edge. S25 Edge have no chance. See that? The camera protrudes like crazy. Wow. This is crazy. When you compare with iPhone 17 Pro Max, Galaxy is slightly thinner because iPhone 17 Pro Max now is thicker. How about 17 Air? See that? Crazy thin. Crazy thin. When you open it up, it also crazy thin. Crazy. Wow, man. This is awesome. Wow. Any question you can ask, I will show you, okay?